Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the top 5 best free floor plan design software 2026. Number 5. Floorplanner. Floorplanner works well for people who want clean floor plans without learning heavy software. It runs in the browser, so there is nothing to install and nothing to update. The free plan lets users create clear 2D layouts and switch to 3D with one click, which makes room spacing easy to judge. The interface stays simple and does not feel crowded even for first-time users. Walls snap into place, measurements stay accurate, and common furniture is already available, so layouts come together fast. It is useful for real estate listings, home projects, and quick client ideas where speed matters more than fancy effects. Floorplanner also handles scaling properly, which saves time fixing sizes later. Sharing is easy since designs can be viewed online without special software. The free version does have limits, but it still covers most basic needs without pushing upgrades every 5 minutes. Overall, Floorplanner keeps things practical, quick, and stress-free, which is exactly what good free software should do. Number 4. Sweet Home 3D. Sweet Home 3D is a solid choice for users who want full control without spending money. It runs on desktop and works offline, which already puts it ahead of many browser tools. The software focuses on accuracy, making it useful for serious home layouts and renovation plans. Users can draw walls with exact measurements, adjust angles, and set room heights without guessing. The 2D plan updates the 3D view in real time, so changes are easy to track. Furniture can be resized, rotated, and placed with precision, and there is a large free object library available online. The interface looks simple, almost old school, but that keeps the learning curve low. It may not win style awards, but it does the job without distractions. For users who care more about correct dimensions than flashy visuals, Sweet Home 3D stays reliable and quietly effective. Number 3. Homestyler. Homestyler is a good option for users who care about how a space looks, not just how it measures. It runs in the browser and focuses more on visual design than technical drafting. Rooms can be built quickly, and the 3D view looks polished even on the free plan. The furniture library includes branded items, which helps designs feel more realistic and less generic. Lighting, textures, and colors are easy to adjust, so layouts feel closer to a finished home rather than a rough sketch. The interface feels modern and guided, making it friendly for beginners. It suits interior design ideas, social media visuals, and client previews where appearance matters. The free version limits exports, but for concept designs it works well. Homestyler proves that free software can still look professional without turning every click into a paid reminder. Number 2. Live Home 3D. Live Home 3D focuses on balance between accuracy and good-looking output. It works well for users who want proper floor plans but also care about clean 3D views. The free version supports detailed 2D drafting with smooth switching to 3D, which helps check spacing and layout without extra steps. Walls, doors, and windows adjust easily, and measurements stay consistent, so designs do not fall apart halfway through. The interface feels calm and organized, which reduces mistakes and saves time. It also handles multi-level homes better than many free tools, which is useful for real projects. The 3D view runs smoothly and looks sharp enough for previews and presentations. While advanced exports are limited, the free tools still cover planning and layout needs very well. Live Home 3D feels like software that respects the user's time, no noise, no clutter, just steady results with fewer headaches. Number 1. 5D Planner. 5D Planner is built for speed and ease, which makes it popular with users who want results fast. It runs in the browser and also works on mobile, so designs can be edited almost anywhere. The drag and drop system makes room creation simple, and the software fills in walls, floors, and ceilings without extra effort. Switching between 2D and 3D feels smooth, helping users understand space without technical steps. The furniture and decor library is large, even in the free version, and items resize automatically to fit rooms, which saves time. Visual quality is strong for a free tool, making layouts useful for previews and basic presentations. Measurements stay reasonable for planning, even if it is not meant for construction-level detail. The interface stays friendly and avoids clutter, which is good for beginners. While exports and some features are limited, 5D Planner still delivers solid layouts without pressure to upgrade. It gets the job done quickly, and sometimes that is the smartest feature of all. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.